Let's see an example of assembling a hardware project using EdgeFX STEM Electronic Kit. For a detailed breadboard function recap, please watch the breadboard use video. We have mounted all our building blocks, components, on the breadboard. This is the power supply block. As the first step, we will mount the power supply unit. Step 2. We connect this jumper so the positive on this end becomes the positive on the other end, and the same applies for the negative power line. Step 3. We connect the power indicator unit. Once we apply the power, the current starts at the positive of the power supply unit, flows through the positive point of the connector, reaches the positive of the power indicator unit, and flows through the positive point of the resistor and the positive point of the LED, and reaches back to the negative point of the LED, to the negative power line to form a closed circuit, and the LED glows. Let's see the schematic for the same. Here is the power. It passes through the resistor, then to the LED, then to the negative, and completes the circuit. So positive, it goes here, and goes negative. That is the first and second and third step. This is the initial activity you need to do to ensure that all connections are correct. And this LED is glowing, indicating that the power is available now on this line. In step 4 and 5, we connect the jumper on both sides on the power lines of the breadboard. As a result, this entire row now becomes positive, and this entire row now becomes negative. Similarly, this entire row becomes negative, and this entire row becomes positive. In step 6, we use another connector, so the connection is established with the switch, which is our step 8. So the positive now travels from here to here, and when you press the switch, it goes from here to this jumper, which is our step 8. Then comes step 9, when the current reaches the positive of the buzzer, and then it travels to the negative of the buzzer and goes back to the jumper, which is the negative line, which is our step 10. Let's see the same thing in the schematic diagram. Path 1 we have discussed earlier. This positive comes here. Positive comes here through this. It comes to the switch and comes to the switch. When we press the switch, it goes to the buzzer through this jumper. It goes to the buzzer to the positive point, and the negative point is connected to the negative, and the negative point is connected to this negative. So, as long as we press the switch, the buzzer sounds. So this is how the circuit operates, and subsequent projects can be done, maintaining the first 3 steps, and changing the other components as per the circuit. Happy tinkering!